In this episode of MGUY, we're going to be making this car look way better. So if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I really hope you enjoy it. If you like this kind of content with my own cars, this cute little SLK 350, the CL500, yes, it's back temporarily, a Maserati Gran Turismo and a cute little MG midget, it'd be great to have you as a subscriber. So one of the big problems with these R171 SLKs is these trim panels at the back, the plastic trim panels that go between the C-pillar and the rear window. They get really badly weather damaged and sun damaged, and so in this video we're going to fix that. One of the most annoying things about the SLK are these trim panels between the back window and the C-pillar here, and they just get so much kind of sun damage and they just look so untidy. You can see what terrible condition they're in. And the other one is pretty much the same. Maybe not quite so bad, but it's still pretty horrible. Still pretty horrible. And I thought of wrapping them or trying to paint them or whatever. And in the end, I just ordered 2 new ones off eBay because the fitting process is pretty easy, so I'm led to believe. So in this video, we're going to just remove the old ones and install the new ones, and hopefully it should be fairly straightforward. So then I'm just going to use this clamp just to hold this up a little bit like that. Well, unfortunately I missed this on camera because I couldn't find a mallet, which is what I was instructed to use with a little block of wood, and I just actually slid this up a little bit, and that was enough to disengage it, and then it just came out of that slot, and that is the old one, which was a lot easier than I thought. And I'm going to give this a bit of a clean out here because it's a mess. We'll just put a little bit of light lubricant on these points here just so that the new one just slides back into place more easily. So this is the new blade. As you can see, it's just beautifully clean and shiny, and that will go in there like that, hopefully, with a bit of luck. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of spray lubricant. I'm sure there's better ways of doing this, but you know me. And then just down here as well. The hard part is actually this edge here, trying to get this. There's a little lip in here, and that needs to go under here and engage with that rubber strip there, which looks like it's been pushed up a little bit. As you can see, it's not quite flush as it should be, but hey ho. So they also suggested opening the roof a little bit further for this bit, so I shall do that. I think that might be in, but I need to check the gaps at the other side to see if that is right. Yes. Needs quite a lot of force to kind of force the plastic clips in, but that's definitely seated, located in there now. Right, let's see if we can do the other one quickly. Should be a lot easier. Let's just have a quick look round now. Get the light on it. See, it's nice and flush there. Flush all around here. And then just on this side as well, looks fantastic. go. So thanks very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can see that actually replacing these trim panels is actually not that difficult. And I don't call myself much of a DIYer, but I was able to do it without any tools, just a little bit of lubrication. And so I hope that encourages some of you guys with SLKs in the R171 generation to undertake this simple task. So thanks very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to smash that like. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber and hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Instagram down here. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.